Alright traders, welcome to my new channel. So I'm your trader of the charts FX. Okay, so I'm now currently looking at this pair USD CAD and took a trade right there in these order blocks. So I'm very much positive that this pair is going down. That's because if I see what I heat map. Wait, let me just pull down. Oh shoot, where it went. I got it. As you can see, what I've got is that USD, where is USD CAD? So it's now about 0.9%. So if you see CAD USD, so Canadian is getting much stronger right now. So just wait for it. Let's see what it has to offer. I traded just because it was I mean, like, what did it say that about my afternoon, yeah, and I was in for a London session trade, so just enter at 3 minutes. Okay, oh sorry, this is a 3 minute. Okay, I entered somewhere around here, just low up this close. Just let me see my stop loss right there. And I just always forget about it, you know what I'm saying? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Alright. Right there. No, just holding it, patiently waiting. And yeah, most of the time that traders don't have patience. You know what I'm saying? They can't be disciplined about their trade. So they ruin themselves. Sometimes they just enter early, or they have like kind of FOMO, like, oh no, if I just lose this trade, this move, then man, I'm gonna be broke, man. Just believe in yourself. Market can give you many chances. You know what I'm saying? Like, just $6 trillion market. So with that big pile of chunk, you can get a little pie. You know what I'm saying? You will be, but you have to be in a good side of the market. You have to be very much right. How the right thing will come, because the right things comes when you know what to do at the right time, at the right spot, at the right pair. Alright, so this is 5th of July, as you can see. So let us go to our 30-minute time frame. What can you see right there? We just see a demand zone, spike, equal lows, getting spiked to this level, moving up, and now this. What will this be for now? As you know, support turns resistance, so the market will try to react this zone as a resistance. And if we see a 4-hour candle chart, then what do we see? What do we see right here? Big push to the downside with a big volume, and it's being rejected because there's buyer represent there and their orders got fulfilled and there are no buyers present right now. Okay, so the max chance would be this will be getting to the downside. I'm just looking for this equal levels to break. My target is about it's just extended right now. JULY-5-2021. Shoot, my bad. That'll be my target. Yeah, sorry. No, 50. So my entry price is at, where did it go? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So let's just go to another 30 minutes. As we see, this level was being supported, and now this level is broken by big push to the downside. Alright, that's because there's order blocks present right there, as you've seen. This area, none of them candles just close below because this was a buyer's area and sellers took them out. Okay, so there's high chance that this price is going down. Let's just draw off Fibonacci to confirm this. See, this will be our target where buyers will be just looking for buys, but then price will be faking them out, then it's dropping to these levels, just holding them for the night. Let's just see in 5 minutes what are we getting now. So we did create some exhaustion in this zone. That's because a huge spike and there's engulfing of bias by the bearish candle. Okay, so we can have real strong move towards the downside, or it may just try to touch these MAs, then it's coming down. Either it works or not. It's better to be both ways. If it's going up, then I'll have to say that if it's respecting these zones, then if I see some price action right here, then I'll just cut my position and I'll be taking for buy. If it is not, then I'll just wait till it drop this level or beyond this. Let's see what we have to see tomorrow. And I've just I think I just took a trade yesterday. I mean last Friday, but it went a big loss for me. Just not following the risk management, and just I was just a paid gambling over my psychology. That's if you I'm just not talking about like other traders. I'm just talking about me, that I was just not at the right time at the right moment and just took that big L. Did some silly mistakes right there, and I just wasn't what I would say. Just I was just fully blab about it. You know what I'm saying? So let's see that. Where did it go? The heat map. As you can see now, CAD just getting weaker now. So I mean US dollar just getting weaker now. Let's see the CAD. What's happening with CAD? Okay, let's see. Guys, it's just about trading. It's just about managing your risk, controlling your emotion over the market, then you are good to go. But with proper stop loss, if you should have known the holy grail to trade, then I won't say you are the right place to be. You know what I'm saying? Trading isn't your magic. Trading is just about skill, finding your edge, finding your style in the market to sustain for long term, because this market is for long term seekers. You know what I mean? Okay. So let's see if this region breaks through it. What will be a position after that? I just told you beforehand. If this pair, this price, if it's breaking this zone, I just want to see a good price action over here. Then if I get a big fat confirmation, then only I will enter the trade for long setup. If then price is breaking this zone, faking out, and then dropping, then I'll be adding some more positions right here. Right here. Most probably I'll just be on the safe side. If this is breaking this lows or following this, most probably if it's breaking this low actually, then I'll be interested in adding some more positions. Alright, this low too, and this becomes some types of area, you can say that. So if this is going to break, then I'll be interested in adding more position to the downside. Alright, so this was just a small update of my trading experience, what I've learned in these years trading in this financial market called forex. Alright, so I'll be just uploading if I feel it's useful, or if you guys feels like that my video will be going to help you, then you should be knowing what to do. But first, let me just show you this pair that I've been trading on. It is US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD, CAD. So guys, if you find this video much helpful, and if you had gained any knowledge, even if a bit, so make sure that you like, subscribe to my video. Alright, so I hope you guys are having a good day and you have a good trading this week. I hope you should be having more bangers day coming ahead. So peace out.